In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Todoist. Todoist is a popular task management app that helps you organize your to-dos, projects, and reminders. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire login process step by step, so even if you're completely new to it, you'll be able to follow along easily. Let's start by opening your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar or search bar at the top, type the word Todoist and press enter. This will bring up the search results page. You're looking for the official Todoist website, which usually appears at the very top of the results. It should clearly say Todoist and mention task management or productivity. Go ahead and click on that link to open the site. Once the Todoist homepage loads, take a moment to let everything appear fully. On the main page, you should see options related to signing up and logging in. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen for a button or link that says Log In. This is the one we want. Click on Login to move to the login page. You'll now see the Todoist login screen. Here, you can choose how you want to sign in. If you originally created your account using an email and password, look for the email field and the password field. Carefully type in the email address you used when you created your Todoist account, then enter your password. Take your time to make sure everything is spelled correctly, especially if your password includes numbers or special characters. If you signed up using a service like Google or Apple or another connected account, you should see buttons for those options as well. In that case, click the appropriate button and you'll be guided through a quick sign-in process using that provider. Just make sure you're using the same account you used when you first created your Todoist profile. After you've entered your details or chosen your sign-in method, follow the on-screen prompts. This might simply mean clicking a login button, or, if extra security is enabled, entering a code sent to your email or authentication app. Once everything is confirmed, Todoist will load your workspace and you'll be ready to start managing your tasks. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to log into Todoist from start to finish.